Have you ever wondered why your fried eggs glide effortlessly across the pan without sticking? The secret lies in a revolutionary invention, the non-stick coating. Beneath its simple exterior is a fascinating story, beginning with a chance discovery and culminating in the perfection you use daily. In 1938, during an experiment with cold gases, an American chemist accidentally discovered a mysterious material, polytetrafluoroethylene PTFE. Little did anyone know that this substance, one of the slipperiest materials in the world, would forever change how we cook. Decades of innovation turned PTFE into a magical, non-stick coating, ensuring food would never cling stubbornly to cookware.
Preview.
The journey of a non-stick pan begins with aluminum, a blend of 70% raw material and 30% recycled aluminum. The aluminum is melted into a liquid state and poured into large rectangular molds. Surrounding water cools the molds rapidly, transforming the aluminum from liquid to solid in an instant. These cast plates are then lifted by cranes and softened in a furnace, ready for the next stage of shaping. When fed through heated rollers, the aluminum plates undergo a remarkable transformation. Starting at just over 6 feet in length, they are stretched thinner and longer until they reach an impressive 100 yards, almost the length of a football field. Watching the aluminum flow through the rollers feels like witnessing metal being massaged into perfection. These elongated aluminum sheets are now ready to take shape. A massive 132-ton press forces the aluminum around a die to mold it into the shape of a pan. The resounding clunk of the press heralds the birth of each new pan. Excess aluminum is not wasted. It is collected, recycled, and reused to create new pans. The freshly formed pans are meticulously cleaned and treated with sodium hydroxide. This process not only purifies the surface, but also opens microscopic pores in the metal, allowing the enamel and non-stick coatings to adhere more effectively in the subsequent steps. Now the pans begin their transformation into works of art. Each pan is carefully placed on a spinning fixture, while spray nozzles evenly coat its exterior with enamel. This layer not only enhances durability, but also provides a sleek, glossy finish. The pans are then baked at over 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit, where the high heat changes the enamel's color from gray to a chalky white. A glossy enamel layer is added, bringing a sophisticated and durable sheen. But the magic happens inside. A special primer is applied first, ensuring that the non-stick layer adheres perfectly to the aluminum surface. Then, 2 coats of non-stick material are sprayed evenly onto the pan, creating a silky smooth surface that ensures nothing sticks. The pans are baked again, this time at 800 degrees Fahrenheit, to bond the non-stick coating to the pan. When they emerge from the oven, a refreshing rain of water washes and cools the pans, completing the meticulous coating process. The final stage is attaching the handle, transforming the pan from a piece of industrial material into a functional kitchen tool. Using laser-guided precision, each hole is drilled into the side of the pan, ensuring the handle is attached at the exact spot. A skilled worker inserts metal rivets through the handle and uses a press to secure them firmly to the pan. And just like that, within an hour, a raw sheet of aluminum is transformed into a flawless non-stick pan. With its glossy enamel exterior and perfectly non-stick interior, this pan is not just a tool, it's a masterpiece of innovation and craftsmanship. Every time you use a non-stick pan, you're not just cooking, you're experiencing the result of decades of research and creativity. This pan, with its sleek design and unparalleled non-stick capabilities, is a testament to the wonders of technology and human ingenuity. Isn't it fascinating to know that even the most familiar tools in your kitchen carry such inspiring stories?